Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable navbar on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to enable navbar on the lock screen of your Samsung phone, first of all, just open settings, then tap on lock screen. And from here, you will find the option of navbar. Just tap on it. And from here, you will be able to enable navbar on your Samsung phone. First of all, just tap on see all. And from here, you will find all the apps which support navbar. Now just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to show in the now bar. Just like that. After you enable the toggle for the apps which you want to show in now bar, then go back and you will find the option of current mode. And if you want to show your current mode or the focus mode of your smartphone in the now bar, just enable this toggle. Now after you do that, and if you go to your lock screen, as you can see, we have successfully enabled navbar on our Samsung phone. And this is how you can enable navbar on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.